Thank you for joining us this afternoon. Measures in this afternoon's ceremony. The first is House Bill 1943 relating to long-term care facilities. This measure provides for an inflationary increase to payments for long-term care facilities. We do know that in many instances, providers really shoulder the burden of the cost increases that may occur from year to year. And oftentimes, government reimbursements always lag the actual cost involved in providing the services. So we do appreciate the patience of the service providers and most importantly, their commitment to providing care for our kupuna and loved ones who are in these facilities. We are glad to be able to sign House Bill 1943, which provides an adjustment to help cover the increased cost of providing services to these members of our community. Senate Bill 2076 relating to healthcare establishes a licensing program for suppliers of durable medical equipment, prosthetics, orthotics, and related supplies. Under this bill, vendors who provide this equipment must have a Hawaii license in order to operate in the state. We believe that this provides an additional measure of protection for the consumers and residents in Hawaii because we can be certain that the vendors who provide this durable medical equipment have the capacity and capability to assure service of the equipment. More importantly, that the quality of the equipment provided to our communities meets the standards. So, George, did you want to say something on these measures before I sign them?
I'd like to say, number one, Governor, thank you for your willingness to support these measures. They're very important specifically to our kupuna here in this state because the nursing facilities are taking care of our kupuna and really more and more they're taking care of patients across the continuum. And really the DME bill, I think, is recognition that, sometimes the federal government may pass a law that really doesn't take the uniqueness of Hawaii into account. And I really appreciate your support and the legislature support in stepping up and saying we need to try and address this issue and make this situation better for our seniors here in Hawaii, on Oahu, and on our neighbor islands. So I also want to say give appreciation to the Department of Human Services. Director Wong and her team have been key in helping us as we have supported these measures, and also the Department of Health. And then finally to the key legislators, two of them who are here today, who have helped to support these measures through the legislative process. So the Healthcare Association of Hawaii and our members and the patients that we serve are really, really appreciative of the support for these measures.
Okay, thanks. Greg or Della, did you guys want to say something before we?
I'm just happy that we're able to do both of these measures. We've worked so hard at it, and I really want to thank the directors and the governor for making the commitment because I think this is going to have a real immediate impact on the patients in our community. So thank you.
Thanks. Greg?
Thank you.
So House Bill 1943 relating to long-term care facilities is now Act 136 and the law of the land. And Senate Bill 2076 relating to health care is now Act 137. Congratulations to all. Pictures?
Let's go with this side of the room first, and then we'll bring up you guys.